Damn it, Jack. Yeah, why is your hair really fake, dude? Pull on it, bro.
Get this phone out of my face, man. Stop asking me that.
Dude, pull on it, bro.
Bro, you talking about?
Good boy. Good boy.
Get the hug, taking at the Maybelline.
I cop the beat, one pull up to
God damn it. Yo, what the f did you just say?
Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding. This is my last resort.
That cut.
I saw it in her eyes when I was saying goodbye. That girl, she ain't gonna be alright.
It might turn in.
Yeah, let me see your most muscular pose.
I'm gonna be in an underwear commercial.
Yeah, it's gonna chip it down.
It's around.
It's real. Beautiful.
Trump! Trump! Make it great again!
And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free.
This lady walking up to him.
Aina! Aina! Aina!
Oh! Oh, wait, no, you're tripping. This dude, Bodega, with the RC car is insane.
Wait, I got a big car.
Yo, chill.
Good job, guys.
Now I gotta do the walk of shame. I felt like I was gonna really pick my shit up, bro.
It's getting serious.
Lord, eternal, cradle me, love me till the end.
Give him a wedgie. Give him a wedgie. That got him up quick. That made him stand up so fast.
Big look bad like I don't know her. Got this big ass 4-5 blow. Top everything, I'm gon' keep her. I've been bait out cause I keep her. Blowin' big cause I'm chief. Don't hustle, I look like beef. Don't bet, no, I do it sweet.
He's basically the pretzel version of Rambo. Do you understand what that is?
So all these pretzels are a beer cleanser, but I started getting a lot of compliments, so I stopped eating them.
Yeah.
Because I like the compliments more than the beer.
Yeah. First time at the club, Jack? Hotel, motel, holiday inn. Hotel, motel, holiday inn. Hotel, motel, holiday inn. Hotel, motel, holiday inn. I'll check that oil.
Let's probably go though before I fight some cases. I'm drunk as shit. I don't wanna...
I'll check your sister's ass.
Let's go, bro, because I'm about to teach you the Muay Thai and I'm drunk as a Snickers pie.
Awesome, crazy. We're going nuts. Whoa. Sorry. Sheesh. Nah. This is gas, dog. This is so fire. No way. This is sick.
Left side.
Yeah, do your thing. Do your magic. Yeah, that's so gas. It comes down like that?
It's inside. How do you drive it on this side? Isn't it weird?
That's what I was thinking. I was
Back from
confused.
England or something?
Japanese.
It's Japanese.
That's so crack.
It's called the SMX.
How do you drive on this? I mean, when I was in England, I was all twisted up. Only in England, and like Australia. Oh my God.
We got the ho-ho in the building. Real ho-ho activity. Joe crying already?
I'm crying. This thing is so beautiful.
Looking back, the morning comes, don't find your face in your glass.
Nothing else to do, you know? Just
Just pretend to clean the car, dude. Only. Enough. Enough video. No, dude. Extra strong, right, sir? Beautiful.
Dang, you put the water in there already?
Yeah. He's smooth like that, no question. Never see it. Hey, bro. My bad.
dang you, because I definitely do something like that.
Got him.
She woke me up with a fucking you just finish it quick. So I get louder, right? Just hurry up.
You good, bro?